The African club of the 20th century alanche what we call Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus WAC in Kumasi. Yes, Operation Kotoko versus WAC in Kumasi has been launched. Na amampanifo ahwase ye course akese pa to ensure say na watwemi en say da yanim no ebeduru ho na Baba Yara Sports Stadium meet CAF standard na meet CAF standard no so Kotoko cannot afford to play this particular game ewon crime ye ko hu na kra no ye wini 4-3 pa na kwan akwarafo no omo ne nkofo bi eye kasubom eye operations ema nyoma kotia ye no this time enya de bibesi nti panyifo anya lanche operation Kotoko versus WAC in Kumasi na de yete ne say Asante Kotoko ene NSA no eye serious meeting. Serious meeting, you know, is got to do with the fact said no. Sa kwadi show obeye no Baba Yara Sports Stadium no. Entia yen say kan say NSA ne je 100,000 Ghana cedis 1 billion. Into much 1 billion egumu coffers mu a it should be enough money for you to fix whatever situation which is at Baba Yara Sports Stadium so that the Baba Yara Sports Stadium can meet the standard of CAF for Asante Kotoko, the club of the century, to play their CAF Confederation Cup versus WAC of Morocco at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And only in some more. The money taken should be enough to fix Baba Yara. And only information I answer and run. And you bring me the video be too. Now video no. You really edit video when we in sound bow. No moment they got 2 more YouTube for say auto dubbed. Enti video will be asking no sound. Enti we there. I mean fa kwenya iso na mempa obi a chow say na enye ye mfo nso. Minim samena manhwe ni o na mensa ko press bibi o anaze YouTube fo no na eye omo no omo si akoda auto dub. Afide wo hwe video no o YouTube a na me bie ma no but onte sound bia na ya. Some information no so de na ye kon na eye information aye confirm say Kotoko and the bebo kane ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium against WAC so anasa ewo Ghana nti no Mr. the light for our path message no me dey be ba ya che Master KK South Africa be chana na one Brother Philip Ezuchala Alhaji Kamel me che obia ona about jobless I know mama te wonka. And the young message we nante as a light for a path. There is this statement which most people often say that money is the root of all evil. Sasemono yaka achiano na enye sa nete. In actual sense, no, the right statements are supposed to be 2. Love, obsession for money is the root of evil. Love, obsession for money is the root of all evil. Greed for money is the root of all evil. Or you're so much greedy with money. Like, or you're so much loved, obsessed with money. And not the man, money be a root of all evil. But because money is the root of all evil. No, that be money be a solve problem every. And a lack of money can also be attributed to a root of evil. So uniska da adwem money intra krom a bibire mu ase no wan shon so abedi panyi atem nkwankwa na omo sore no adwem money abo mutrim because skani omo ho enti yenka ne yenchirem lack of money and the obsession, the greed and the love for money is the cause of all evil, is the root of all evil. Young churches are saying on this particular episode. And to say, operations Kotoko versus WAC in Kumasi has been launched. A Kotoko Jina NSA for no corner so say 3 weeks time there. Yempe long story bia. And we hope say NSA for no so be do masari. Okay, I say Asante hema ye no. Kotoko ku kochi Asante Hene. Na Asante Hene take about 2 minutes no ne kasa. Onene kasa. No just say master. Me Kotoko no. Baba ya stadium no monhwe ne meet standard. Yentimi ntina yemfa nkobo yesese won kan. E ka no doso. Enti saa nyoma no very important. Na matese GFA president ne na Asante Kotoko ebe meeting. Na omo ne NS nso aye meeting. Sa NS fo ni wi na GFA fo no Africa fo se omo meye inspection no. Omo ye inspection ni wi na afidi approve am Asante Kotoko. Because this particular work game we cannot afford to play it outside Baba Yara Sports Stadium.